Hi you guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm participating in Domestic Diva DIY Pinterest inspired theme. So here are the two that I will be recreating. Okay, so with the first one we have this candlestick holder from the Dollar Tree that we'll be using, some ink by Waverly Chalk Paint, and a candle jar from the Dollar Tree also. So this DIY here is very simple. It doesn't take a lot to do. It's very easy. So all you need to do is make sure you have your paintbrush and use any kind of paintbrush, which I prefer sponge. And we're just going to recreate our first Pinterest inspired candle holder. I guess that's what we're going to call it. Okay, so let's get to painting. So we have our sponge brush. You don't have to worry about painting this jar here, this glass jar here, but we do need to remove the sticker. So I'm using my heat gun that I got from Amazon, which is one of the best things a crafter can have. You just run the heat over a sticker and it like loosens up the glue and it comes off so easy. It's a great invention. So I'm just going to take my scraper thing here and just lift up the sides to help me just peel it off. And just look how easy it comes off. So easy. Leaves no sticky residue behind. So we're just going to set this to the side. You don't have to worry about painting it like I said. And we're just going to paint the candlestick. Now, if I can ever get this jar open. I'm struggling, you guys. Struggling. It's been a minute since I used it. I guess it was just stuck. So you're just going to paint the whole thing black. You don't have to worry about painting the under part of it, the bottom, under the bottom, because no one's going to see it anyway. And because you're painting it outside and it's glass, it's just going to go straight through, see black straight through. So we're just going to make sure we paint it. And it's going to take about 2 coats to really get a full coverage. Okay, and then I'll be back. Okay, you guys, so I made a boo-boo on this whole video. I didn't show you where I put it all together. I did use E6000 and hot glue. Now, also, I wanted to tell you that on my next clip where I'm supposed to be starting my second DIY, I guess I wasn't filming that either. So I have the charger plate and everything that you'll see right here. And then it faded out. I guess I must have did something. But back to our candlestick holder here. I have these candlelight things from the Dollar Tree. And I had them for a while. And just remove the stick part thing and cut it on. And ta-da! And drop it in. There you go. How cute. Now, you guys, back to what I was saying with this DIY. I glued it down with hot glue. I took some styrofoam, flour foam, whatever it is, and I actually put it inside the tin can. Cut the flowers up. All of this was on, I thought I was recording when I was doing this, but evidently I was not. And I just didn't have time to go back. So the next clip that you will see will actually be the final product of both of my projects. Now, this is how they turned out. I think they turned out so lovely. The flowers are from the Dollar Tree also. The charger plate is from the Dollar Tree. The tin can is actually from Dollar General for $1. So I enjoyed participating in this Domestic Diva DIY Pinterest theme. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, please hit the subscribe button so you always know when I upload a new video. And thanks you guys for being so patient